Obviously, the criminal law holds a person responsible for her own crimes. But oftentimes, the criminal law holds one person liable for another's crimes too. For instance, one criminal conspirator is typically liable for a co-conspirator's crimes foreseeably committed in furtherance of the conspiracy. In the 1988 case of United States v. Diaz, a conspirator learned this grim legal lesson firsthand. The case revolved around a conspiracy to unlawfully distribute cocaine. The conspirators included Gerardo Perez, Luis Rodriguez, David Peirallo, and Reynaldo Diaz. In the summer of 1987, Perez was just beginning what he surely thought was a promising career as a peddler of illicit drugs. Perez contacted Rodriguez, seeking a cocaine supplier. Rodriguez then arranged a meeting between Perez and Diaz agreed to supply Perez with cocaine. On August 21st and September 3rd of 1987, Perez sold cocaine to Patricia Collins, who, unbeknownst to the conspirators, was an undercover agent for the Drug Enforcement Administration, or DEA. According to Perez's trial testimony, he got the drugs from Diaz. On September 9th, Perez and Rodriguez went to a specified location to meet with Diaz and sell Collins cocaine worth $39,000. Diaz showed up, albeit late, with no gun. Shortly after, Peirallo arrived with the cocaine. Collins herself was quite tardy for the meeting, so much so that Peirallo got impatient and left. Collins arrived almost immediately after Peirallo left. Diaz paged Peirallo, presumably to notify Peirallo that Collins was there and that Peirallo should return with the cocaine. While the parties awaited Peirallo's return, Perez got into Collins's car, took the money from her, counted it, and checked with Diaz to make sure Peirallo was en route. Once Peirallo arrived, there was a great deal of conversation and interaction among the conspirators. Notably, Peirallo told Perez that Peirallo had a gun, which he meant to use if anyone tried to steal the drugs. Finally, Perez passed the drugs off to Collins. At that point, the DEA officers surveilling the scene moved in to arrest the conspirators. The conspirators were then indicted in federal district court. In particular, Diaz faced charges of conspiracy to distribute cocaine and use of a firearm in connection with a drug trafficking crime. The jury convicted Diaz on both counts. Diaz then appealed to the Seventh Circuit.